Looking for a machine monitoring solution created by manufacturing people from the machine tool industry? Then you're looking for freedom. The same team that brought to market the first flexible manufacturing system and the cell controller has translated that knowledge into a smart manufacturing platform for the industrial Internet of Things era. From milling, turning, grinding, welding, and additive manufacturing to robotics, general automation, and motion control, we know machinery and industrial automation process. We're OT people with IT experience. Our manufacturing process experience has allowed us to create the Freedom Smart Manufacturing Platform, which goes beyond reporting of overall equipment effectiveness and other key performance indicators. Freedom provides the actionable results you need to help you understand how to run your business more efficiently and more profitably. It doesn't matter if you have the latest, top-of-the-line equipment or legacy devices that have served you for decades. Freedom can connect to any machine and liberate the data inside so that it can be accumulated, organized, and distributed to whoever needs it, whenever they need it, wherever they need it. Whether they're Fortune 500 companies or small to medium-sized machine shops, our customers have documented OEE improvements of 10 to 20%. Freedom customers experience ROI in 6 months or less. The Freedom platform delivers the data that manufacturers require to optimize utilization, improve quality and performance, root out inefficiencies, and maximize profit. To learn more about how the Freedom platform can liberate your data, contact us at 513-719-1600 or visit freedom-iot.com to see a demo or discuss installing a free trial of Freedom in your plant today.